Every survivalist needs 3 first aid kits. Yes, you heard that right. You need 3 of them. You're probably wondering, isn't that overkill? No, it's not. Here's why. For starters, you need a first aid kit at home. This will be the most comprehensive one with just about everything from saline solution to bandages. You'll need another smaller first aid kit that goes into your car. When driving around, if you meet with an accident or someone gets hurt, the first aid kit just may help to save a life. The third first aid kit will be in your bug-out bag. The reason we don't count on the first aid kit in the car when we're bugging out is because the car may be washed away in a flood, or a tree may collapse and crush it during a hurricane. The car may even be stolen. So, having a compact first aid kit in your bug-out bag will be very useful when you need to just grab your bag and go. One of the best first aid kits that is perfect for preppers is the iGo Compact First Aid Kit. It's small, lightweight, and contains 85 medical-grade items. It's amazing just how many things they manage to fit in a small hard-shell case, size 6 inches by 4.3 inches by 2.4 inches. It only weighs 0.56 pounds. This first aid kit is perfect for your bug-out bag. The good news is that you can easily get this kit on Amazon. The product has a high rating and hundreds of mostly positive reviews. If you're bugging out in the wild, this kit is priceless in the event you need it. A first aid kit is one of the most important items that a prepper should have. Even if you're not a prepper, every home should have a first aid kit. Yet, so many homes don't have one. During an emergency, all they may have are 2 old band-aids in a dusty drawer. That's just not going to cut it. During a calamity such as a natural disaster or a terrorist bombing, injuries can be severe. You may need bandages, gauze pads, etc. While you could buy these items individually and pack them in a first aid kit yourself, this can be a hassle. The different items will have different expiry dates. It may end up being more expensive. You would save yourself all this hassle and some money by getting the iGo Compact First Aid Kit. It's very affordable, portable, durable, and could make a huge difference should someone be injured and need first aid care.